Morning plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons a plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's plumbing adventure, we're changing out a couple valves on an outside shower. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. Folks, we're going to change out this ball valve right here. You see it spraying out on the seam. So we're going to change it out, and we're going to, while we have the water off, we're going to change out both valves, knock it out, make it nicey nice, and I'll even put in some new boiler drains for the man. This way he's all pro, and then we can shower like an all pro. Make sure you put it around that pencil mark. You can look right through the hole. Turn the light on if you have to. You gotta turn the light on, right?
Yeah. It's just, here, let me get that pen. I'm gonna move the mark to the side.
Oh, you're lefty?
Well, even if I wasn't, you know what I mean? Like, I can't see it because it's in the front.
Ah, I got you.
I got it off.
Here?
Yeah.
What side do you want?
Just
better?
on the inside. It's just on the inside.
Open that valve. Both of them. Open that boiler drain up. There you go. Oh, can't open that. Alright, cut that one. Boop. That's where I'll catch it. Awesome. You gotta stand that up. Okay. Bang.
Which one are we on?
Top one. 3 marks, huh?
I saw you make all 3 and I'm like, what is he doing?
The thing was leaning. No gangster lean. There it is, though. Dump in the pipe. Yeah, see this here? Same thing. Alright? little hot in the sun?
Yeah.
Careful with that shower head, okay? I had to send Angelo to pick up a classic hose bib plate because I used my last one on my truck, and of course I need one for the bib over there because the hole is too big for the standard plate on a hose bib. And I like using the secure plate too. It makes it look like a pro. And this house is pro all the way. So that's where the boy went. It's so nice to have both kids work with me. And Chucky, we gave Chucky half a day because today's graduation day. And they're having a fake graduation party somewhere. So I gave him the rest of the day off with pay. That's my boy. He's gonna be fine. There we go. Now, here's the plan. A couple new ball valves. Where are they at? Classic New Jersey outside shower. This is how we do it here. Boom. And boom. And I'm going to use the same holes up top, so I'm going to cut little pieces here for the measurement because I don't want to mess up the stucco, and that's why I went and got the plate, because I needed it. So here. Inside the pipe. Two pieces, 3.5. Memorial Day weekend next week. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Well, how can that be? This is going to be too long. Too long, people. Because I just measured 7/8 inside the pipe, and it definitely didn't go in those 7/8. Ah, Pro Press World. It's a little painful once in a while. Let's see. Here's 7/8. 7/8 right there. Oh my God. Which means I'm going to put my... Let's see if I'm not crazy first. Hold on, people. Hold on. There it is, 1/4 inch off. Oh, maybe not. Oh, guess what? It worked. Alright, I was wrong. Put some fresh screws in there. Beautiful. I was wrong. Again. Magic. And I told Angelo I had this done by the time he got back. I think I can do it. Just as long as I have a good battery in here on Happy Friday. One, two. Brought one in. I'm gonna put in two. I think I got 6 of these. Quarter turn hose bibs, boiler drains that everybody wants me to use, and guess what? We're gonna use them right here. Okay. I have a little bit of water here. Nope. A little bit. Okay. This way Bobby's all set up. My man Bobby. There we go. Boom. Don't scratch it. Chuck. Little quarter turn towards the yard. Boop. Alright, the boy is back. Let's get this done. Let's get this done. Boom. 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 Oh, don't scratch it. Don't scratch it. Boom. There it is. One each way, bang. We'll get up to full pressure in a minute. There we go. Boom. Boom. I gotta clean the shower head, I guess. All right, Ange. Ah, here you go. They say Teflon gets caught. How about pipe dope? Come on. Can't win. Let me show Angelo this. Angelo, little lesson here. They always say Teflon gets caught in the oh, how you feeling?
I'm fine.
So the shower pressure was terrible. Look at the pipe dope that came out.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy.
So I use a little too much, I guess. You can't win. They say Teflon gets caught. Now pipe dope gets caught. I probably gobbed on there too much. Let's fix it. Hold on, buddy. What I should do, put a couple holes in this thing so we get great pressure. How about that, huh? Oh, there was no washer in there. Huh, look at that. Okay. Let's do this. Let's get this shot here, folks. There we go.